Guys, guys, it's around 7:51. Anyway, guys, welcome on today's videos. My name is Halobebe Official. So right now it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. So right now my intro starts from here. You can see how everything it is, super amazing. And then the view is down right here. So I just come here, guys, sorry, to visit one of my friends' land, and it's been long. So I've been in other situation which I can not explain right now. But if you're watching my videos the full 1 month, it's coincidence happened. So but I will solve it in good way, because let me analyze it, guys. So like, we lost my uncle 2 weeks, my great grandma 3 weeks. So to get a chance to come at my friend's land, it's very difficult. So right now I'm free and I'm shooting videos back to back. Floyd vibe to the end, and make sure, guys, you leave us with comments, subscribe, and also share my videos to your family. That's the best way you can support your boy Halobebe Official. So you can see, guys, also this is our neighbor here, avocado trees, mango trees. And imagine, from my friend's land to going to the villa, it's around I think maybe 20 meters apart. So let's see how things go. And also I'm a caretaker, so I need to make sure everything they're in good position. So like, I don't want to see things in a total mess. So I'm kind of new here, guys, because it's been a while. So guys, thank you so much for everybody who tuned into my channel, watching my videos till the end, and also positive vibe, guys, all the way. So you can see right here, maybe I'll go to other side. These some bricks. Also we have some stones here, sand for construction. Although this sand here, it stay here for the long time, long time. Even some trees have been grown up like this age. It's not an easy thing. So I just accompanied with my baby because it helped me a lot, going around. And guys, without you being supporting to my channel, I couldn't have my baby right there. So anyway, today I'm wearing this, I think this is sky blue, and also my bike, it's blue. So I'm the guy who loving blue. Even at my home, you see me painting the toilets blue in color. So yeah, blue is blue is shining. So anyway, let's see how things go. So right here they have been putting some sacks of bags of cement, and also inside the soil to control water running and don't spoil this road. And I'm telling you, guys, road is everything. Even coming with my bike, I'm supposed to use good road. So me, I love it, man. I love it. And I'm very happy to see some improvements in our village. So also today, guys, I'm shooting this video on Sunday, and on Saturday, not Sunday, on Saturday. And I wish each and everyone happy Sabbath day. And also, we have a SDA church right there, although they have been not attending. I don't know which time. It's around maybe 8:30. So right now it's 7:55 a.m. my local time. So maybe around 1 hour they will, you want to see some people attending to the church. So also, guys, that is it. So there's some stones here for the foundation or for the building. So you need to have material on the ground. Oh damn, look at this. So I'm telling you, when you see trees like this growing on the sand, on top of the sand, guys, it's not an easy thing, because it's growing here for the long time. Even me at home there, I just see them growing. And I wonder, guys, maybe it's because we remove the sand from the river and then maybe these trees having some seeds there, so it's come all the way collected by the water coming to the river, and then we scoop the sand, we put on the truck, we bring home. So I realized we transfer, because I never see such kind of trees like this in our neighbors here. Also this one we normally found in the river. And the crazy thing is we migrate with it and then we bring to the site. So look. And also guys, to be honest, this also is a medicine. I'm telling you, you know, if maybe you have a young baby child, maybe scratching at the back, sorry guys for using this word, scratching at the back from the button, you wanna peel this. I think it's not leaves, there's some flowers. I'm trying to figure out, and then I show you guys, you know. Yeah, it's good to share with you. And I know for my Jamaican family, when I point this, you have already known, you know. So I'm trying to look for the leaves I can show you, you know. Oh my god, it means I failed exam. Oh, I see, but it's too far, I can't go there. So anyway guys, you see even right here it starts shedding some flowers right here. So you peel these flowers, you crush it, you mix with water, and then you take maybe a syringe, 2cc or 1cc or 1.5cc, you squeeze and then you push, and then the baby gets okay. Also, I remember one day congrats mom told me the importance of these trees, but I master only one, you know. Also my mama know this kind of you know, medicine, and I'm telling you, when we walk around in our village, some plants are medicinal, others are not, but 90% of the plants are medicinal. You know, maybe it's because for us we didn't, you know, like master it since our old parents, our old parents. But anyway, I know other culture, like in Jamaica, you know, they don't want to forget their culture. So some trees, they showing you, oh, this is medicinal, this one, this some herbs, you know, things like that. But in our village here, people forget our culture, you know, and they don't follow. It's on right time, I mean. So guys, apart from that, we are discussing about these trees, and yeah, it's a medicinal. So maybe when you're going to build, maybe in future, a perimeter wall here, these trees remaining here, because nowadays we can't found it, you know. Maybe going to the bush inside the river, looking at it, and then, you know, doing like that. So anyway, let's check how everything it is. And I'm telling you, this pure sand here, you see this one, pure sand for the construction, you know. Also we have some stones here, and yeah, I don't know guys, but let's see how things go. Yeah, the land is super clean. Me, I thought like it's purely that, so I supposed to, you know, to slash out some tall stuff here and there, but it's just okay. Do some bricks here guys. Oh my god, I found some yeah, I was talking about this. So you peel this, maybe 3 of them or 4, whichever you want, and then you crush it, you mix in water, and then you do your course, you perform your duty. So there's some bricks here, and it stay here for the long time. Even look, it's changing the color. You can see from right here to this point. Hey, this is crazy. Look. but in fact we cover it by using polythene paper, and also the more polythene paper stay through the sun, it gets spoiled. But anyway, everything just well and fantastic, you know. Wow. So that's my neighbor, and also which maybe you know, I don't know, maybe this is boundary, but we have the size of right there. See, baby cow sleeping here. Oh. I love, you know, I love some animal. Even at home there, we have cows, guys, you know. And I congratulate my African mom for the pure hard working that he was putting, because right now he was like back years, I think maybe in the year of 2021, I think 2019, I think things like that, 2019, he bought a small baby cow like that I'm showing you right there. And then grazing each and every day, and then the cow getting bigger, you know, get pregnant, giving us our calf. Right now, at least we have around maybe, I think, 4 to 5 cows at home. So that's, it tells you my mama can't joke around. So guys, the reason why I visited here, there's some people staying here, you know. When they were been working at Congrats Dad's place, so I see the padlock from a distance, and no one who's staying here right now, because they were being told, I have been told, like they were been staying like couple of months and then disappear. When they finish the contract, they will disappear. So, and the good thing I love about Congrats Dad, he was very strict. We can't joke around the properties, I'm telling you. So when they get out, they close the door, you know. Odi, you see the padlock? Nobody's here. Well, guys, I don't know, maybe there's somebody here, but I see it's been long, even no footstep here. So yeah, the house is well fantastic. You can see from here, you know. Hey, cha that is enjoying the ride right there, you know. So yeah, I suppose, you know, to come with a djembe maybe on Monday or Tuesday to weed this place. You can see how it looks like, so at least you can see maybe the foundation of the wall and the house, you know. If I could not maybe doing like that, man, this place could be looking like could be looking like a bush. So that's the reason why I do came here to supervise and to check how everything it is. And then from here, maybe I'll go to border town. There's some stuff I want to run up and down, you know. Look, so if you remember, if you're watching my videos every day, yeah, I normally come here making some cleanness, but since I was busy, but things have been, you know, growing up here. You can see like this one. So I told you, maybe by Monday or Tuesday, I'll come here. I'll look one of the guy. We work with him, and then things looking super clean. Wow. So right here, this is the old, you know. It's not, I'm trying to figure out. Chacha. Unaitwa Chacha. Vipi hali? Say hello Chacha. Uko poa? Suvae shati mara. Unaendesha baiskeli bila shati. So these are an old toilet, you know, like in terms of plan, you know. But that's how things is in African here. You know, at least you can excuse yourself inside there. You know. Yeah. And this bowl have a lot of what? A lot. I don't know if you can see, guys, deeply. Oh, a lot. Even I can't complain, guys. You know, a lot of what? I don't know, guys. When I'm facing like this, maybe it's because of sun. Anyway, we fluid vibe. So even since when I put this stuff here, like cover it, no pressure on that, because back years it was been empty space, and I have been told with one of my neighbor right here, like, oh, some kids are running up and down playing here, so they will fall inside, and then me, I don't want maybe like police case. I come, I cover it, and right now we stay in peace. That's what I want. Sorry, guys. Sorry for that. Yeah, and also, guys, it's a fantastic morning. As you can see, the sun is out, but it's reached at this point, so you can't see. Maybe when I'm at home, I just wake up early in the morning, zoom the sun, how it's set in Africa. So this is my baby right here, and it's helped me a lot. My work is to fuel maybe the gas for $2, and then we are ready to go. Hey, look. Hey. She was transporting liquor. Anyway, that is it. So, guys, I'm thinking, my plan for my mama house is just like that. Because of the space, we try to reduce it. Look that house, and mine will be taller, because when I'm going to build, I want to raise the wall for the house to be taller. I left the place for the ceiling board, and also place for the tiling, so the house will be taller. So I have been struggling with our house, like fixing the gutters, collecting water to the tank. I realized the house is too low. So when I'm going to build that house, I'll be very, very keen. I want to raise up maybe around, I think, to 80 meters, There's maybe around 9 to 10 feet from the foundation up. So I'm thinking that, Anyway, guys, I want to go to Border Town, as I said earlier, because I want to fix some stuff here and there, Okay. So also, this is our neighbor, Gitreva. I see he put more construction material. Building is not an easy thing, guys. Like for me, it took me some couple of months, I think 8 months, close to 1 year, buying material step by step, slowly, and then I collect all of them. So maybe when somebody come at my home, they think, oh, I bought once, like boom, They don't know about my struggle. I get maybe 10 USD, 100. I bought one tipper for the stones, one tipper for the sand, things like that. Even I haven't finished buying more, but I said what I have, let me start from there. So anyway guys, see you when I'm heading this way guys. So guys, I left that place and I'm rushing to border town guys, you know. So that's the good thing, to have a good road in our village. There's Uncle Mo's home. Sabu! I see Uncle Mo from a distance. Yeah, we are moving, man, step by step. Wagwan, man. Our trees are really growing, you can see. Look at that hidden roof. Oh, let's go guys. I don't know guys, maybe we'll pass down here. Let's go. So I decided to go down. Wow, 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 wow. Alright guys, I changed the plan. I realized when I'm going down, my video is not clear, you know, so I decided to go this way. We're gonna go this way guys. No. Car grazing right there. See guys, by yourself. Look at that. Man, and it's a chill morning, and you know, we outside chasing our dream, you know. I'm saying I mean this guys, we outside, you know, chasing our dream day by day, you know. And we put videos, maybe one day it will pay me off and then start enjoying, you know. Look, that's how our village developed. Number one, maybe 5 years coming, our village will be on the next level, you know. That's police post, police station near behind, I mean, right there. I decided to go that way guys, you know. And I love adventure in my bike. love it, man. I don't know, one day I'll do a trip from here to Kisumu and then from Kisumu to Nairobi, but I'm not sure about that. But I love it to ride a bike when I'm vlogging. Fresh. Go for. Vipi hali? Let me say hello to them. Pona QR code. Hi boss ya. Yeah, hi. Wapi? Bosi gani? Unajua nakuuliza. Bosi wangu. Pejo unapeleka tofali. Pejo unapeleka tofali. Yuko huko. Huko. Sasa utasambu malize lini? Guys, this is some vlogs. Kama pokenda kijana. You good?
Yes. Yeah.
You're taking to our dancing grandma.
Yeah.
Okay. Arengi kuimu. Suweke mia.
Unadhani nini gani? These things are not coming.
They're taking these vlogs to our dancing grandma where the village was building. Big shout out to him, guys. Haya mara mimi naenda Sirai.
So hapo tuko pamoja boss.
I guess samba we. Oh my god. Let's go. No, Maraba. That's a trailer for the gas. Okay. So I'm heading Border Town. Maybe other people will wonder, hello baby, you are on the tarmac road vlogging. Actually, I'm walking beside, you know, right here. When you see the white paint right there, you never go there. Right there, you must be in a good level. Man, that trip remind me while I'm in Mombasa. I can't wait to go there once more, guys, because I love Mombasa vibe and also Nairobi. Yeah, we are pushing. Upcoming restaurants, guys. I can't wait to see that restaurant come in good shape, been completed and launched. So maybe avoiding going to Migori, like enjoying. No, it's only in our village here. There is one song I love it, and I don't know that artist. He said, good morning, you know, like that vibe. So there have been mining ramp right there, we call it quarry, on the other side. Yeah, I love that song. They said, good morning, you know. And then for me, I would add Africa. Fresh. I'll add Africa, you know. Kasando! Okay. I see police. There's one right there. Yeah. So my work is to add. When I listen to that music, he sing like good morning, and then I said good morning, Africa. I said good morning, Africa. You know. Also, that's a church. People are building a house in America. Oh. Whoa. You see this truck? They normally transports material. I use this road going toward my home, and where I'm standing right now, I removed the Wi-Fi from here. Imagine all the way from this side to my village. It's 2.5 kilometers from here. And the crazy thing is, people go and cut my Wi-Fi cable, and I wonder, and I say, oh my God. That's Roman Catholic Church right there, you know. Guys, I don't know, maybe I can jump from here toward Tanzania, visiting one of my friends. I don't know. I want to check his progress, man. You know, it's been a while. See how people building? And look that, I love that view from this side. I don't know why, guys. It's because of trees and some stuff here and there. Anyway, guys, let's move on, you know. And I'll make sure I visit one friend of mine in Tanzania. I will see, guys. I will see. I will see. Oh yeah. Mambo shwari. So, okay. Wagwan, man. You see Brudosa right there. No, nah. Hola. Whoa. Let's go. I'm telling you guys, it's early in the morning in East Africa, Kenya. Nah. Whoa. People outside, you know. Look at that. Whoa. That's police post, Isbania station. I see Jeep right there. You know. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Guys, kiasi there's some people. Nyama. Hey. Niko poa. Niko hapa boda. Hey. Nilikuwa na order engineer ananiletea. Tukisema saa hii kesho atakuletea asubuhi. Nairobi. Ni bei kali, alafu ujue niko kwenye video. Acha basi nikuja hapo tumpigie simu. Niko hapa boda. Naweza kuja hapo home saa hii. Okay. Guys, I'm just over here and it's a fantastic morning, guys. As you can see how everything it is, and I'm going to talk with the owner of this house. Say hello.
Wow. Hello guys. Good morning. Let me stand in this other side. Yes. Yeah, where the sun is. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Good morning from Africa, guys.
Yes.
You know, my name is Vidi Jonah. Yeah, we are just coming, you know, from our home. We're trying to do some projects here. Hello, baby.
You know, you are calling me. I was shooting the video, and then you see that part.
Oh, when I called you.
Yeah,
guys, I'm trying to check on stones because I want to buy some stones. So since Hello Baby has bought his stones, so I wanted him to link me up where he bought his stones, so that I can buy more too, so that we can all, you know, use them, you know, to build. But thank you, man. You came in, and right now we are trying to figure it out, man. You know, which is a good thing. So guys, soon, maybe expect after us finishing on working with the foundation. You know, because Hello Baby, we need to work on the foundation. You see, like this other room. This is my bedroom.
Maybe parking.
Yeah, that's a living room. That's a living room. This is a bedroom, and there is my bathroom, toilet here. Yeah, it's like a bathroom and a toilet. So here there is a corridor.
This one.
Yeah, that comes in my house. Or you can use the other way. Like you can use, you see here, there's a parking here. So you can, when you park the car here, there's a door that you will be going directly in my room. Or I can use another door from outside, come past this corridor, open through here, go in my house. You know, yeah. I didn't want a door to mom's house. Because I want her to live on her own, you know, have her own.
Same house.
Yeah, it's just the same house, but having two different houses in one. But mine has only 2 rooms. Living room with an open kitchen besides, bedroom, and that's all, you know. Yeah.
What about this one?
So this one, yeah, this is my bathroom.
And that one?
This is another public bathroom, toilet. Which now it's gonna be serving my sisters and visitors visiting my mom. So the door will be here to the public, and here is my brother's room. You know, yeah. So he will be getting in and out. You know. So here, guys, we have a living room. This other side.
So big.
Yeah. Now this is my mom's living room with an open kitchen from the other side. Yeah, it's just a simple house, bro.
You know the crazy thing about this?
Oh, yeah.
Do like this.
When you touch them, like when you just touch them, guys, see? Let's touch this one. See? They sleep.
Magic.
This is like magic, see?
Me, I had is a medicine.
Yeah, it's a medicine. Like, guys, see even here. Here. But see what, if we do this, you won't see them. See? All of them are dead. It's like, this is a magic plant. When you touch it, it sleeps. Yeah, it sleeps. See even this one, see?
Yeah.
They've already slept. See? See?
It has a sensor.
Yeah. They like have something like a sensor, but I don't know. But I heard that this is a very good medicine for the stomach and those other issues.
So this is your mother's bedroom?
Mother's bedroom with her toilet besides there.
Right.
This one, yeah. This one. You know, here. This is a store for keeping, you know, kitchen things.
Yes.
Because the kitchen will be here, an open kitchen.
Oh.
So there will be a corridor here.
Going to the next room.
Going to this other room.
For your sister.
Yeah, since we've decided, you know, I wanted them to live in one room, but then I came to realize, no, they have to have their both room for privacy.
Yes.
So here we designed the corridor. From when you're passing from the open kitchen, you go like this, go in this room. This room.
You have two sisters?
Yeah, I have three, but one is married, so they've remained two.
So each and everyone needs some privacy.
Yeah, need some privacy. So one, either Cynthia or Dama will live here or here. I don't know. Each one will choose because this other room is big, and this one is not too big than the other like this, you know. But this one is the biggest one.
Yeah.
So here, we want to put a door on a corridor here. Yeah, we could have put a door here and here. But because of, we want her to have her own space going in her room and this corridor to be used like when you are collecting things from the store, you can easily open. So I didn't want commotion. So we decided to put a door for her, for them here. Yeah, when you're just coming from the veranda, you go in your bedroom. Just like,
this one going there?
yeah, and then this one you have to pass here, go to the corridor, go in your room. Yeah, that's how simple the house is, you know.
It's so big, man.
Yeah, it's only big, but it's just simple.
It take around, let me tell you, around maybe 350 iron sheet.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
No, Mayugno told me they will be more than, I don't
More
know.
than that?
Yeah, no,
Maybe
160 something, 166. Will it take 300?
166. I'm telling you, my friend, this one here, roughly 300. I'm telling you.
Oh my God.
You will see the house.
We have to really work on this. So guys, right now, you see here, now this other place that remains there is a place for planting flowers. Yeah, there and here. Now the veranda will just be here.
Small pot.
What is a small pot?
Maybe veranda sitting outside.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Called pot.
Yeah. Small pots, guys. I don't know about small
America
pots.
calling pot.
Pot.
Pochili metuna.
Yeah, guys. So this is it. Hello, baby.
Yes.
That's how simple the house is. It doesn't have much more room. We wanted to put even prayer rooms and all those things. Then later on, we came to realize that we'll have to put more rooms. You know, but right now I just want it to be like this. Maybe with time, we'll even make this a room here for prayer room. You know, instead of having much big corridors going like this and this, you know.
This is your corridor.
We can put, no, this is not even a corridor because here we need to put somewhere to plant.
Oh, the door will be here. Going this way.
Yeah, I think so.
You can cancel and then you use this as a corridor. This one will be a prayer room.
Yeah, we put this as a prayer room, guys. We leave this as a prayer room, then we use this as a corridor.
Yeah, you can change the line.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Since like we'll put even here a door, when you're just getting from the parking, you can easily go in your room. Yeah.
Or maybe from this balcony you can go this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll decide on what to do. But guys, we don't have much. Yeah, we don't have.
You have what do you call I forget, guys.
Studio?
It's not a studio.
Keyboard?
Like a PS.
Oh,
like
PS.
Maybe Brighton would like to play PS.
No, I better put here a prayer room other than a PS room.
Or a pool.
Oh no, a prayer room.
Put
Books.
a cold drink on the
Books
wall,
needed here.
Need to drink.
Word of God needed here.
Yes.
Yeah, then we will play outside. Can play outside.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, guys. So this is it. It's just a simple room, but have like kind of big rooms.
I'm telling you, in our village, you are number one.
Stop lying. A lot of people have big houses, man, around.
I'm telling you guys, you can prove it. You know, I was going around for my friends, mostly YouTubers. You are number one.
Wow.
In terms of foundation and house, even you can testify to my Yogun. You are number one.
Wow.
Because
guys,
this house is so big.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is it, guys. To me, I think
And
like
how was village taking you? Like, oh, with John?
Illuminati every day. You know, I don't care. You know, people here see people as cults. So me, I don't care what people say. I just do my own thing. As long as they don't feed me, I feed myself. And I don't like praise them, I praise God. My mind is focused. I just choose, you know.
Even I saw on your comment, since you bought your baby machine, people said, oh, instead of Jonah building a house, he bought a car. Now, guys, what did you see here?
What will
It's
they
better
say
than a
now?
car. Look, bigger.
What will they say now? Will you people say that, oh, Vidi Jonah, oh, you've wasted a lot of money now on your car, you don't have money to finish?
You can't say, guys.
They'll find a way to speak. You know, people always have something to talk about, you
They
know.
don't know how about maybe people's mindset, you know.
Yeah.
For me, I can buy a car and I have a plan to build a house.
To build a
But if you
house.
buy a car, it's a big problem. Oh, hello, baby, build a house first, come later. So maybe from here to Nairobi, you need to pay transport. Right now is to put gas, boom.
Move.
Kawangari.
Imagine, like, my car is just to put gas. Boom, I'm in Mombasa.
And then one thing, the black color is the best.
It's the best. Yeah,
Luxury
true.
car.
True,
I'm
guys.
telling you.
Yeah, so to me, all I can just tell people, those people who are like, Vidi Jonah, you need to do. No, let people be who they are. Please allow them to just, it's okay. Buying a car is not a bad thing. Or it's a bad thing if you've not built and you choose a car.
Yeah.
Maybe other people want their house to be moving. And if you build a house like this, it won't be moving. So me, I can easily build a house inside my car and I can move to Mombasa, Nairobi, take you
can
to
sleep inside the car.
yeah,
Unlike
take you to different places, still do my videos. But if you tell me build, Victor, yeah, build a house. I'll build a house where I'll stay. I want to move from this house to Mombasa to go. But I can build a house here.
Yeah.
You can
Even I
move.
watch some American people, they living in a car.
Yeah,
you know,
man.
like going around adventure. They normally stay in a car.
Yeah.
You know, a car having some maybe a room to sleep,
Mm-hmm.
a place to cook. Imagine
Yeah.
things like that.
Yeah, I'm telling you, and a lot of people, like even the people living in the West, most of them don't have like lands, their own land, you know, most of them rent, you know. Yeah, so to me, guys, I just choose to live a simple life.
Yeah.
I just do my things, you know. So let's be positive to each other. And when you see a brother like me, a guy who came from here, guys, from this is grass.
From grass to grace.
From grass, guys, to grace.
Tell people from Boda Rider.
Man, I appreciate it. I can even show you my motorbike that I used to like carry people
Don't
with,
sell
you know.
that bike, it will be your history.
I kept it, you know why?
Yeah,
Because I don't sell anything that I buy in my life. I never, even the phone that I'm using, if it gets problems, I keep it, I buy another one. Because to me, I always remember where I come from. When I see them, I'm like, man, I have to keep pushing. This is where I was, and right now I'm here. Let me try moving, doing it, you know. Yeah, so guys, let's not be negative. Let's be positive. Something like this, it's a big thing. We have to appreciate.
And then we made our parents to be proud. You
Yeah,
know? Like
proud.
for now, we want to take your family maybe outing for the vacation. We need to have a car.
Yeah, very easy. And you know, it's good for privacy, guys. It's not like when you will pass there, people will be just looking at you, wanting to talk to you for nothing. No. Here you move with your business. You go do your business, come back. Just simple, you know. Yeah. Another
People told me, hello baby, you're going to build a house with no money. Stop building a house if you don't have a money. And
Make money.
Yeah, I'm still waiting that day when I'm starting building. Hopefully this month when God open the door. And then the same person who asking me, don't build a house without money. Just stay calm.
Yeah.
Your day is coming.
All I can say is, you know, this is my word, guys.
Yeah.
Always believe. Like, this is my word. Always believe what is in your mind, because what is in your mind, no one has it. You know, people can see you as a fool, but at the end of the day, they'll be like, oh, wow, so he was like this. So this is his aim. So this is how, you don't try to even prove people. But at the same time, it's good to start with nothing, because if you start with nothing, you'll put your mind there. Everything small you'll be getting, you'll be putting it there, you know.
Sure.
And what I love about our subscriber is if they see you pushing, if they see you trying, and you don't have anything, they are there for you. You know, they can support you. They can make sure that you're moving from this place to another. You know, yeah. To me, I believe there is a lot of positive people, a lot of good people, because we've seen a lot of people like being built, like someone built for you a house because of these people.
Imagine.
So why can't they support you to achieve your dreams? They will, for sure, for sure. So to me, all I can say is, guys, keep on supporting Hello Baby. Support this channel 100%. Hello Baby is one of the amazing people. You know, he's a direct, straightforward guys. I salute him, you know. Yeah. So, team what? Team making it.
Yes.
Team rich.
Team rich.
Team rich for life, guys. You know, yeah, support
you know, guys,
us.
when we are saying team for rich, we mean we have good health. We just wake up every day, celebrating, laughing.
Yeah.
We do
And at the
some
same time, having hands, mindset,
yeah,
brain, you know, to make a hustle, you know, to hustle. So all I can say is let's support. When we see a brother trying, let's make him believe in himself, because without you guys we can't. So you are our what should we say?
our soul leader, amazing people.
You're like our gods, you know, in another way. I don't mean God in heaven, but God who shows you the way. So we believe in you guys, you know. Yes.
Okay, guys, see you later.
Wow.
Guys, I'm telling you, it's freezing here. So let me open my head. Look at that, that's my tattoo. So actually, I just came from one of my friends, guys, you know. Woo! Anyway, let's go. Let's go, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. It has been raining, man, you know. Wow. Only for those people who are having a car, they can survive. But right now, Hello Baby, Alright guys, and it's very freezing outside here. So I'm coming from one of my friends, you know, and probably it was raining, you know. Look at the sky, man. Whoa. And also I'm on heavy chest guard. So this is another Roman Catholic church right here. Also it has a school. I'm telling you guys. So it's raining, the rain of cats and dogs. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna wear my chest guard, you know. Right now I'm around at my beta, and that's how it looks like. I'm trying to show you Africa, Kenya to the world, mostly the interior part of the village, you know. So that's how it looks like, and everything just awesome, you know. Look. I'm telling you, right now things have been improved here, you know. All the car versions right here. Oh, this is my better for you guys, you know. Sorry. That's how it looks like, you know. Look at that. Okay guys, sorry for the music. Sometime we face challenge. And if you remember the other day, I was waiting this company, one of the truck, to bring material to my site. And then I made it, man. You know, I made it. Una ngapi? Una ngapi? Niko kazi. Eh?
Uko live?
I'm shooting videos. I'm shooting videos. So guys, this is my bed. You see how the rich get out from the car. Hey, man. Yeah. Back home. Back home. You see guys. Also down there's a supermarket. Upstairs there's a club, you know. Wow. It's a small town, guys. A small center, I mean, not a town. Look on that side, and also this side here. Well done. So guys, I personally am heading home, and I just meet one of my friends, and she's my customer. Say hello.
Hi.
You good?
Eh?
You good?
Ready?
Uko poa?
Niko poa, yeah.
Okay. Also, that's home for an MP, members of parliament, you know. Right there. Kwa hiyo mbona kibra ngote video na nashanga naendesha video. No guys. Hey, I'm telling you. Huh? Woo. It's very cold, guys, outside here. This is a small clinic, super cool medical center. I mean, right? With a many other opera. And guys, my engineer who going to build my house, or my mama house, he was the one who built this restaurant here. You see right there. Hey. Hey. Hapo unajua naendeshaka nikiona kwa side mirror. Naendeshaka nikiona kwa side mirror. Hey. 5 people on the motorbike. Tricky situation, guys. Well done. Hey. Hey. Everything is super green, super natural green, guys. You can see from this side here, and I'm telling you, in Africa it's dry season, the green vegetation remaining constant, guys. Hiyo gari inaenda hapa ni mpya. Guys, also right now people are going to Nairobi. I'm telling you, see this bus, Nyamira Express. And guys, I haven't used on that bus, maybe in terms of traveling, never, you know. guys, I'm telling you, we have a bridge here, the most curious. Every and each time accident might occur on this place, so I'm throw that energy too. So let me drive safely, guys. That's my bike, and I'm around at the shop. They're selling computer. So here, say hello, my brother, before we go to the next.
Hello, guys.
You good? So guys,
I'm good, okay, I'm fine.
Fine, thank you.
Shwari kabisa. Umeme umeenda bro.
So guys, we have two laptops here. This one, both of them are HP, and also this one. Look, let me show you guys. You see here? But me, I love this. How much this cost? Because we have two categories, guys. This one
22,000. Only.
And this one
36,000.
So this one goes to 300 USD. This one 200. Doing them in terms of dollars, you know, because my audience, all of them are coming from America.
No problem.
Guys, but I think this one #1. Which one have good quality? Maybe somebody asking me, guys, on this video, which one?
This one.
This one?
Let me show something, man.
Yeah, guys, if you heard me complaining, my videos have some errors and copyright, I need to have maybe a laptop. I'm just, you know, asking the price, you know. Yeah. Yes, guys. Yeah. So because right now I have the Wi-Fi in my house, I need to have a laptop like this. You know, goes to 300 USD. Yeah. Can I give you what?
Hiyo property yake pekee na.
So this is summarize. It has 160 GB RAM and also 256 SD. And guys, if you are running in terms of computer, please help me to choose between this and this. My friend, what about when I'm paying slowly?
Yeah.
We write a contract. Maybe every month I give you around $70 until when I reach my, you know, I complete my mission. Yeah?
We agree.
I give you money, you give me receipt. I give you money. The way, guys, I do on my motorbike, you know, every month I take maybe around $200 every month until when I finish up. What about you? Maybe, guys, if I get cash, boom, because my phone have some problems, you know, in terms of uploading the videos, and I delete most of the videos, and then yeah, I have phone here. Oh my god, you know, I'm like I'm a superstar. This phone here that you see every time deleting my videos, you know. So I realized I need to have a laptop like this. Manganya, I am with God will open the door. I'll get the laptop. Sante sana. Alright, guys, right now I'm just back home, and when I was going to border town, I didn't manage to go to greet one of my friend, guys. Sorry, but I think on Monday I'll go. So probably my friend Vidi Jonah calling me, so they need to contact with me, and then to reach my engineer so he can bring the blocks to their construction site. He was building a super mega project which is coming, and man, we see our village you know, developing in such other way like that. And also, man, building Africa, it's by God's grace. So even me, I can't wait to see the building here. Things will be more fire. The day is coming, man. You see, I bound the stones right here, and last, I think on my previous videos I was talking with my engineer to see whether we can fix the foundation passing here, which is a good thing, man, you know. Yeah, between here and here I would create what we call the perimeter wall, before when I finish building. So maybe it will reach, I think, foundation here, and then we left some space when people can pass here going at the back of the house. Yeah, it's time to build Africa. Time to build Africa. You guys keep supporting me as you can by watching my videos every day, and guys, subscribing, it doesn't need maybe like you have money to subscribe. Subscribe is for free, guys. I'm telling you the way it is. Other people think, oh, to subscribe it's need we use your own money by subscribing to people's channel. No, it's just for free. And you get in touch, like you wanna support Hello Baby to reach even 10,000 subscriber, man. I wanna appreciate for your full support. So that being said, this is what my friend needs, because he was always watching my videos and then reached me today saying, Hello Baby, what's up? I need blocks like yours, who bring blocks to your site. I told him it's one of my friend who is my engineer, and I was working with him closer to 1 year as a handman, and he know me. And actually, guys, there's a house, my neighbor here building a tall house, inside on that forest. So I was working there as a handman and also going to the school working as a handman. He paid me and he loved my work. I was working, quick and fast. I finished everything, man. Let me tell you, so I decided the way I was working as a handman, this is my history. I want to call my engineer, like, what's up, bring material. And then one day when I call him to bring fast material here, these blocks, he gets shocked. He said, Hello Baby, you're the one nowadays, you bring material, I'll support you, So even he told me, like building 3-bedroom, it's more expensive. When maybe we sign a contract that I'm going to build your house, you'll pay me around $2,500. So apart from that, I know your struggle. You just look for 1,000 USD. You start building. So we discuss and we put our mindset together and everything. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, guys. Yeah, come and say hello. Guys, today's on Saturday. So we have my sister here and also my cousin. My young cousin. Favor. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, you Clara. Clara, say hello. That's my sister. You good?
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're fine. Okay. So she was playing around, and man, next 5 years coming. Hey, bye. When you see our home, it's on the next level. Trust and believing on me, guys. I'm trying to chase my dream day by day, pushing myself like a donkey, shooting my videos on the streets, on the bush, and I'm ready to go, man. This is my baby. This is what I'm calling my baby, because it's taking me around. Oh, damn. Look, other man. Super cool, super new, and I love it, man. It's HLX 125, new model. all right, my people. So I think now I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much. And guys, I love you. So we shall meet on tomorrow's videos. The weekend have already started. Today's on Saturday, tomorrow's on Sunday, and I wish you all happy Sabbath day. And also for the Roman Catholic, let's meet on tomorrow's vlog. So guys, keep in touch, keep it locked. More amazing videos coming. And in case you meet my videos, please guys, don't skip my videos. Watch till the end. Don't skip ads. Also comment in positive way. Although, man, I have receiving both comment, negative and positive. And what can I urge on you guys? All comments have been read. no comment have been skipped, you know. If you comment on a negative way, that's all about you. If you comment in a positive way, I'm focused to move ahead, you know, because I'm going to build my mama house, and other people said if you didn't have money, don't build. Why not? Why not? Why not? And I'm sure God will open the door. I will build my mama house in a smooth way, the way I build the toilet, you know. No one believed like one day I could finish up, you know. Even when I'm going to build that toilet, I think last year, people talk, oh, like, hello, baby, don't do this, don't stress yourself. But who is God, you know? God is good all the time, and when God say yes, nobody can say no. Me, I'm just focused on positive energy, and I don't want to give negative about, like, I don't want to give mind on negative, you know, like on negative side, you know. So my work is to go, and one day you see my parents' home come in good shape. Although right now I'm just living with my mama, and I normally, you know, support their family, you know, in good way. So my people, I think we shall meet on tomorrow's videos by God's grace. And this is your boy Hello Baby Official. I'm just coming from the humble background family. It's by God's grace, and God have some reason why I'm born and raised in Africa, Kenya, the small village known as Nyabuhanse village to the world. Although right now I'm not living in Nyabuhanse center, I'm just on the next village, you know. We are on the same county, but we have different, you know, village. Like where I was coming from, it's Mabera, and then I come to, you know, oh my God, I come to Nyabuhanse village, and then I come to my village, you know. It has been used in a local language known as Gensenga village, you know. So my people, that's the end of my story, and we're gonna meet tomorrow, or we're gonna catch on the next vlog, which is tomorrow. Man, I love you since day one. You really show me much love, and I appreciate. I don't want to take things for granted, and you mean the world to me, man. Like, I feel like to shed tears, man. I do came from grass to grace, from nothing to something, man. You know, God really pushing me, like holding me on the right hand, you know, and my star shining, man. You know, my dream is shining. Oh, damn. Anyway, bye-bye, guys. See you on tomorrow's video, guys. Bye.